and you're looking back at February with some interesting stats.
So we're going into our first week of March, and it's going in very, very mildly.
Yes,
and of course,
it is.
February was really mild too. Take a look at the numbers here. I have a calendar summary for you of February. Now, all the numbers in red there, that is not for Valentine's. That is showing you what days were above average. And look how many were above average. We only had 2 in white there that were where we should have been, and then 2 below average.
Only 2 below average.
Yes.
I don't think that's ever happened, has it?
This is the warmest February on record.
Wow.
So it was a very, very warm. Our average was 49.2 degrees, so about 5 degrees above what it should be. In fact, when you take into account December, January, and February, all 3 of those months, the warmest meteorological winter that we have had. So it has just been incredibly warm, and of course the snowpack has dwindled because of it. As far as rain is concerned, it may seem like it's been really dry, but we actually finished out okay in Portland. We finished out at 0.05 of an inch above normal. Salem hurting by 1/4 of an inch from normal, and then Eugene and Astoria a little bit lower on the rain there. We were about a little bit more than an inch below normal, and Eugene and Astoria about at an inch below normal for the month of February. Snowpack, as far as that is concerned, still looking really rough. We did get some of that snow at the end of the week, and many of you getting out on the slopes and just had a fantastic weekend. Well, hopefully you enjoyed it. It's going to be spring skiing for the rest of this week. The snow, 9% of what it should be right now. Precip-wise, though, we've had enough of that, 95%. And then the Willamette Basin, 10%. So we've gone up by a percentage or 2 in many locations. We've done a little bit better out across central and eastern Oregon. Our snow at 54% of what it should be at Grand Ronde, and John Day at almost 50% there. So not as bad as it was, but it's still very low. We are getting some snow, though, out towards the Blue Mountains right now, and you can see the radar picking up on that. So be careful if you're driving out on I-84, as it could get a little bit slick and messy on the roads out toward Baker City between there and Pendleton as we go through the evening, but then we're clearing things out. In fact, the next storm system on the horizon, way back to our west, and guess what? It's never even going to get here. High pressure is going to build in from the south. It's going to bring in warm weather, and it's going to keep us really dry all the way into next weekend. 54 degrees right now. We had an above average day today. 56 was the high. It will be a chilly start tomorrow, though. Whenever you have the clear skies in place, temperatures fall really quickly at night. So we'll be waking up to the 30s. You'll want to grab the layers for the kids because it will be chilly to start off with, but then shedding the layers after that. A beautiful sunny afternoon, already at 50 by noon and topping out in the mid-50s. Your weather headlines, what you can expect as we go through this week: a dry, mild start to March. Expect the allergies to be kicking in because we're staying dry. The one thing we'll have to watch out for really will be fog, but not until Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday nights, and then it should burn off for the afternoon to bring in sunshine, and temperatures are going to be going up each day, and it looks like we have yet another beautiful weekend on our hands. So go ahead and make those weekend plans. It's going to be awesome. Highs getting into the 60s. It is going to feel like spring. In fact, some forecast models trying to push us into the middle and even upper 60s for the weekend in the valley, so it could be warm. Temperatures in the 50s right now, so feeling pleasant, but it'll be chilly soon. Low 40s east to the Cascades. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Highs in the 50s as we head through the rest of this week. Lots of sunshine tomorrow. Wednesday, 57. Fog and sunshine Thursday and Friday. Temperatures topping out at 60 by Friday. Low to mid 60s this weekend. Don't forget to spring those clocks ahead Saturday night. The sun's setting right now at around 5:58 p.m. So by then, that means sun's going to be setting by 7 p.m. next week. And it's going to be sunny on top of all that. It'll be really nice.
And it's pretty incredible. Pretty incredible.
It is. The stretch continues.